Hey guys! So maybe you guys are thinking like why I didn't post my daily vlogs today, because I really have this special idea, especially for senior high school students across Indonesia and also foreign students to come here and study in DIPONEGORO University in Semarang, Central Java. So today I really want to show the varieties and all faculties that is in DIPONEGORO University. So are you curious to see? So keep on watching!
Hey guys, so now I'm in Ria Ariesti. This is actually the rector's office, and in every kind of evening there's like jogging, many students come here to run, and yeah, you can see.
In this field actually held upacara for Indonesia National Days, and here you can hang out, see the sunset or sunrise, and have fun. Now I'm heading to other faculties in Undip, and actually I'm riding a motorcycle now, so my friend Ria is helping me to show you guys.
If you love money and business, you can study here.
There's a lift too in this faculty. How great it is. And now you're seeing like trees here, you can take pictures here, you wanna hang out here. It's a great place.
If you love medicine and you want to cure someone's heart, you can study here.
Undip also has a hospital, so if you're sick, you can be taken care here.
Study someone's soul, study here.
Studying psychology is better for your life.
Wanna know public health? Study here. By the way, tobacco free. Wanna be crazy and love science? Study here.
Have fun studying here.
If you love the sea,
You will go to the ocean a lot. This is a new building in Undip and it looks so cool.
love animals and love to smell them, study here.
There's cows and deers here, so check it out. The roads here are really big, so if you have a car or motorcycle, feel free to bring it. But there's public transportation too.
Love engineering?
There's a lot of engineering studies that you can study here.
If you want to register and graduate, it's here.
Inside this building is really big. The road in Undip is full of trees, so you won't be bored here.
In Indonesia, studied here.
Want to make your city better? You can study here. It's a good place to study.
Love culture and languages?
There's France, Japan, and many more languages here.
Wanna love the truth? Finally love politics like me?
There's international relations, communications, and many more. Hey guys, so welcome back. So I hope that everything that I just shown you right now gives you motivation, gives you better studying school, and gives you high hopes on studying here in DIPONEGORO University. So actually next vlog will actually be question and answer. So I hope that you guys are asking about what are you gonna study here in DIPONEGORO University, and I hope to answer very positive and beneficial. And I will give Undip's website below in my description box, and I hope that you guys are giving a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because there will be more beneficial things for your future to come here, and I will show you guys. So please like my Instagram account, please like my Twitter account, and I will see you guys soon on my next vlog. Apa?
Aduh ya, kenapa ya gue jomblo mulu ya? Aku juga bingung kenapa jomblo.